Alright, we are now in a recording session. What's up, brah?
Where are we going?
I don't know. Oh my god, Angry Bird plush toys! I want one! I want the yellow one. Yellow one. Yellow one. Yellow one. Yellow one. Yellow one. I got it. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna call you Fluffy. I'm stealing this. I'm stealing this, bro.
I'm gonna call you Fluffy.
Bro, I'm stealing this. Like, for real, I'm stealing it.
Yeah, I hear you, but you're telling everybody else too.
I gotta steal him. Fluffy! We gotta go dump it in the diaper bag. I got my personal Angry Bird. This is legit right here. Would you like to pet my Angry Bird? Guess not. Bro, when'd you get these? When'd you get these in stock? For real? They're tight, man. They tight. Let's go find a hot chick. Let's go to that one group of hot chicks and be like, would you like to pet my Angry Bird?
Let's go find him.
Buzz! 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 Starter! Better than Under Armour right there. Look at those sexy kids. Who the fuck are they? Oh, that's us. What's up, man? What's up, man? Would you like to pet my Angry Bird? Would you like to pet my Angry Bird? Why not? Just touch it.
It's supposed to go fast.
You just hurt his feelings, man.
Well, you're supposed to go faster. Touching means it goes faster.
No, my Angry Bird is lazy, bro. Get with the program. Idiot. Official idiot. Here, record.
Can't record?
Oh, it's already, it's recording, unrecord. I'm gonna start recording again. In a minute.